Breaking news! Today, you're drawing a muscle man so powerful, he could open pickle jars without even trying. Today we're drawing the one and only, the mightiest flex master in town. So let's start with a rectangle for his head. Then underneath, draw a squished circle for his body. This is where all the strength is hiding. Then we added a rectangle for the legs. This is where the strength is standing. Now for some awesome details, first draw his ear, and outline the head, because our muscle hero needs a place for his cool, stylish sunglasses. Now give him a simple nose and a smile. This guy's got confidence to spare. And let's top it off with some wild, cool hair. Here comes the fun part. Let's draw first one strong arm. These muscles could lift a bus. After that, sketch in his chest and torso, which is packed with power. And what else is packed with power? That other arm. Look at him flex. He's posing like he's about to lift a mountain. And wrap up this pencil sketch by drawing his powerful legs. Super strong and ready to dash to the rescue. Let's grab our markers and start with his nose. Then his sunglasses, looking cool as he goes. Next, a quick smile, so confident and bright. It says, "I've got this," with all of his might. Next comes his ear, to hear every sound. Then the head and neck, solid and round. His hair is heroic, blowing in the breeze. A muscle-bound champ, doing it with ease. Now draw the first arm. Muscles so wide, biceps so big, they can't be denied. Chest and torso are also wide and strong. He's ready to save the day. That's why this is his song. And here's the other arm, flexing with pride. Standing strong before you, he will never hide. Then it is time to finish the legs, so strong and steady. Our hero's drawn, charming, and flex competition ready. You've done peep-tastic. This scribble is top-notch. Now grab your colors, and let's give it that final touch. Here's my masterpiece, looking pretty cool. And if you want more fun and free videos just like this, don't miss out on scribblepeeps.com. Bye!